Hey guys, what's going on today? I got the Anderson Arms ambidextrous safety in. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and review of it, just show you what it looks like. This came in from Datsun Firearms out of Tennessee, and like I said, it is an Anderson Arms ambidextrous safety. It's basically like having a mil-spec on both sides, left and right hand. So there it is. Feels pretty beefy. Looks pretty mil-spec. Comes with the Allen wrench. So we'll get this installed, and it was $20. So I'll get it installed, and then I'll be back and show you how it looks and how it functions. Okay, we got it all installed. As you can see, it's pretty much like a mil-spec safety. Works good. And on this side, pretty much like a mil-spec safety. Positive click. It's enough to get your left thumb up there. The only disadvantage I can see to it is because I'm left-handed. When I hit the safety, it runs into my finger. So I have to be aware of that. Unlike the Battle Arms developments where you can put the standard on the right side of the gun and then have the thin ones on the left. But for 20 bucks, you can't beat it. It works good. It's positive. It works. So anyway, check it out, guys. It's cheap if you need a cheap Ambi safety. Anderson rifles. You can't beat the price, and it works. It functions. It'll do the job. Alright guys, we'll catch you later.